What a wonderful world. It has been said by one and all, from saints and scientists to philosophers and poets, how we see the world changes the world we see. Through eyes of wonder, through eyes of beauty, through the eyes of understanding, we see ourselves in everyone. For over 30 years, our Vision Care solutions have nurtured hope, enhanced lives and set the course for an enterprise known for world-class technology and innovation. We are Aurolab.
Aurolab was a dream brought by our founder, Dr. Venkataswamy. The dream was to give eye care to everyone in this world, and mostly in the places where people could not afford eye care. A small seed that was put in the ground, and today Aurolab as an institution benefits millions and millions of people in different parts of the world.
To look beyond what is and see what can be is the starting point of Aurolab. Our vision to end needless blindness resulted in an entire ecosystem of solutions that aid in every step of the patient's vision journey. It began with the manufacture of quality IOLs that were indigenous, world-class, and so cost-effective they turned into a Harvard case study.
Aurolab made intraocular lenses affordable in the year 1992. With the patient's expectations for better visual outcomes increasing, the market is shifting towards premium products. We see a need to work with the doctors to give the best visual outcome for their patients.
From diagnostics to surgical, from therapeutic to IOLs, Aurolab's products and services are known for being not just efficient and world-class, they are empowering.
Vivid lenses from Aurolab. My patients are really happy with them because they can see clearly both far and near. I've visited the Aurolab factory. It's very comparable to those in Europe and in the America.
From the early days, at Aurolab, technology has been the driving force. From cutting-edge designing and precision manufacturing to meet the most exacting of demands, we set the standard for ourselves. Is it possible to manufacture a new future for ourselves? Our world-class manufacturing facility in Madurai has capabilities that allow us to proudly claim Made in Aurolab. In fact, 1 in 8 IOLs used across the world proudly has the Aurolab stamp on them. Aurolab has a sustained focus on R&D to develop indigenous solutions to complex problems, from reaching more patients to empowering more doctors to best-in-class treatments. Aurolab is poised to offer its own unique brand of excellence, high in scientific rigor, high in precision, and high in effectiveness. From Made in Aurolab to the world, our products are exported to over 160 countries, from those that are in dire need to those that demand only the best. Is it possible to be the partner of choice for the ophthalmic world? Well, we certainly believe so. Our sophisticated suite of over 200 solutions span the full spectrum of vision care. Doctors and patients the world over benefit from our specialized solutions. But what makes Aurolab a truly valuable partner is in the way we see the future of vision care, full of new possibilities. Seeing through the eyes of new possibilities, a vision called Aurolab.